Hey everybody, back again with another video. Today we're going to do the fixing of the travel wallet. So when you first get it, these card holders are going to be really stiff. It's like you can't even fit a card in them. It's so tight. So I'm going to walk you through on fixing these 6 and the passport holder in the back. So this is going to take a little bit of time. I'm just warning you now. Yeah, this is not something that'll be fixed in a day. It's going to be over time, maybe a couple weeks, maybe a week. So if you do buy this, don't plan on going on the trip for a little bit, because you'll want to do these before, just to make it even usable. If you bought it on final sale like me, you can't return it, so you just gotta work with what you got. All right. So to start out, what we're going to do is we are going to just basically find however many cards you can. So just cards, you know, like I got a Chick-fil-A cow calendar card. So I'm just gonna work your way, just keep putting them in there. So I usually try to fit as many as I can in there, and don't worry, you're not gonna break it at all. Just try to keep putting as many cards as you can in there. So I'm up to 4 cards now, and there's a little bit of space to add a little bit more in there, so I'm going to try to find some more cards. Okay, that is my 5th card, so there's more space in there. I can feel it. 6th card. Yep, just keep adding. No harm, no foul. It's not going to break on you. It's pretty tough. Alright, that's my 6th card. I'm going to stop on that one and start working on another one. If you're from DC, you know what that is. Yep, any card you can find. You're going to need a lot of them, so don't be stingy with the cards. Oops. Okay, that's 4 in that one. See? So that's all we're going to be doing, is just stretching out these card holders. That is 5. I feel there is space for one more. Alright, let's leave it at that. You get the idea. Just keep doing that. Yeah, and then when you work your way down, it's going to get a little bit tougher, but you just got to force these cards in there. They got to stretch. You got to stretch these wallets out to be usable. I think I might be running out of cards here. Yeah, just dummy cards you find around the house. Let's work away on that one. But you get the idea. So just keep doing that. Fit as many cards as you can in there. We really want to stretch out these pockets. Again, it's not gonna break it. You're not gonna rip it. It's really tough material. All you're gonna do is just stretch them out so that you're actually able to slide it in, slide it out without having to break your hands or anything. Alright, we'll save that one later. Okay, so now we get to the passport hold. So this is where, again, it's really hard to put a passport in there. I just took some coasters I have around the house. So just any household coasters will work if you can find them. I have like these wooden like corkscrew kind that I'm going to put in there. I put them in, you have to put them in on both sides right here to stretch out both sides. Oops, let me put that behind it. There we go. Okay, so see, so it'll look like that. So what we're doing, oops. So what we're doing right now is we're stretching out this side and this side. And then that middle part, because we really want our passport to fit in there snug, but not snug enough so that we can't even take it out. So that's my passport I'm putting in there. Okay. And so right now I'm working on these two right here in the back. But I mean, feel free if after, I don't know, a couple of days you feel like, oh, it's gotten a little looser, just keep moving on. Keep going down to these middle ones, and then work your way to the front ones. There is no harm, no foul in trying to stretch this thing out. It can only get better. And then same thing with the passport. I would just keep, whenever you do change these card holder slots up, with adding as much cards as you can on each one, I would just continue doing the passport one at the same time. So don't feel like you have to stop doing that, because it can only get better. It can't get any worse. Okay, so this is how it's gonna look. So like I said, this is gonna be a process of over a couple of weeks. This is not going to be done in a day. You're going to need to give it a little bit of time to really stretch out and continue to be like this. And I took these out a while ago, and I wanted to test out how long it would stay, and still I have no problems with it. It has not gone back to its original form. It stayed how I wanted. So that's a good thing. I'm not saying in the future possibly it could go back or get a little bit tighter, but for right now, what I notice is it doesn't. So that's a good thing. That is a really good thing. Yeah, and then, like I said, just keep coming back to this, keep doing it, keep getting at it. It's only going to get better. Okay, thank you for watching.